Hi, this is our BMW M3 E46, the one we use for time attack racing. And since a couple of years, I could test nearly all the airbox available on the market, from the panel filter on the OM basic airbox, the plastic one, to the best, I think, the original CSL airbox, which I have the luck to find used for not so much. In the middle of these two, I could drive the car with the Venturi airbox, the Evolve, the carbon airbox, a version similar to this one. And I drove a car with another car with the Carbonius. The best value for money maybe it's the Venturi, because for a couple of €100 you can have a good gain of performance and a nice sound, a nice intake sound. But of course, if you want to go best, you can either go Carbonius or Evolve, because I didn't feel a lot of difference between them, and I felt an upgrade over the Venturi. But the Venturi is basically very good. And also, between Carbonius to Evolve to the OMCSL, I don't feel that difference driving on the dyno. I'm not the one searching for the last horsepower, but the overall real life feeling and the driving feeling on the track is the same. There is one last type of intake mode I did not had the chance to test yet, which is it's called the velocity stack. They take the intake, how can I say in English, the trumpets from the intake, you take it away from the airbox and fit separately on the throttle bodies with the filter fit on each one. So I'm going to try this one because I would like to take the most from the sound. Maybe the sound makes me enjoy the car more than gaining or losing 10 or 15 or more horsepower because of the heat soak that is the downgrade of this type of modification. So because the trumpets does not change from the basic airbox here inside to the best one, the CSL original one, I'm going to pull out the trumpets from a basic one, bought for a few bucks, and swap on the car over this one. I'll show you how I'm going to do this mod, and after driving it for a while, I will tell you what's worth, what's different, and if at least I could have the sound that I wish. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.